Hello friends, welcome back to Cherry Media. My name is Vinny and today I have Kadence keyboard stand with me. Let's quickly unbox it and see what we are getting inside the box. These are the screw sets we will need to assemble this stand. So these are all the parts and we need to assemble it. It's very easy to assemble and this is what it will look like after assembling. Plus I actually like this stand too much because I can play for many hours in this stand without getting tired. And another good thing is that in this stand the keyboard is fitted properly using this steel so that you don't need to worry that your keyboard will fall accidentally from the stand. Now we will talk about the pricing of this stand. Firstly, I went to official website of Kadence where it was priced at Rs 1199 but it was out of stock. Then I went to Amazon where the product was available but it was priced higher at 1399. Then I visited Flipkart where it was available to buy in just Rs 1035. I didn't waste any time and ordered it on 19th October and got it delivered on 25th October. So friends, this was unboxing video of Kadence Z-type keyboard stand. I will be back soon with my new keyboard videos. Many thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.